Hello YouTube. Surely you, like me, have seen a bunch of videos on the internet about what ChatGPT is capable of. In this video, you will see how I used it to create my own bot in decentralized finance, and the results were incredible. Basically, I asked him to generate a trading bot that uses DeFi liquidity pairing to take advantage of certain arbitrage opportunities for earned passive income. In a few words, my bot, which I call Front Running Bot, allows you to automatically trade a given token under the Ethereum blockchain without having to go through the typical transaction methods. This is going to enable us to front-run transactions on tokens on decentralized finance exchanges, such as Uniswap. This is going to allow us to sniff the mempool, or basically look for transactions that are pending to be made within a block. And it's going to allow us to inject our transaction with a higher gas fee, one way higher than a transaction which is trying to be entered. This will allow our transaction to be processed first, and then we also process a sell order within the same block. So essentially, the pending transaction gets sandwiched between ours, and we make a profit after slippage difference in the transaction. This is not that complicated as you think. I've been using this bot earning passive income for weeks, and you don't need any coding experience whatsoever, since the script was generated entirely by ChatGPT. Let's get started. To start off, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and connected to the Ethereum main net. Now, head over to remixeth.com, which is a Web3 application allowing us to develop, deploy, compile, and launch smart contracts which are coded in the Solidity language. You can find the link in the description below. Open the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under Contracts folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. Now paste the code from the link I left in the description. This is our front-runner bot contract that I have created. Take a peek at line 33. This should be the address for Wrapped Ether token. Feel free to check it on Etherscan to make sure. Yep, as you see, it's the official Wrapped Ether address. Always check that. Now that we have our bot file ready, let's compile it. As you see, it was built with 0.8.20 version of Solidity. Now, under compiler, we are going to select our version to 0.8.20 so it matches our contract. Make sure the language is set to Solidity and EVM version to compiler default. Now we need to click on the Compile MEV button and wait for the file to compile. Now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Go over to Deploy and Run Transactions in Remix. Here we need to select Injected Provider as the environment. Once you've checked that, MetaMask will be connected to Remix. And now we have a deployment utility right here. Now we need to click the Deploy button. After successful deployment, we need to confirm creation of our contract by paying some gas fees. It took me a few amount of gas here. It's the commission of Ethereum network for contract deployment. I always set gas fee to high, not a lot of difference. Finally, we have confirmation right here. It means our contract is deployed. As we see here, there are two actions for our contract. Search button will start the bot sniffing the mempool. Withdrawal will stop the bot and transfer funds back to your wallet. So let's copy the contract address to make sure it was created. I'm going to head back to BSC scan and paste it. Yep, it was created successfully. So, the next step is to fund the contract with some coins to be able to snipe liquidity pools. I'm going to copy this address and head back over to my MetaMask. Make sure you got the right address in there. You can fund the contract however you want, but the more you put in, the larger transaction you will be able to front run, and the more profit you will be able to make. For instance, if you are only able to front run with $300, you are not going to be able to create as much slippage in price as if you were inserting $30,000. There we go, the transaction confirmed. So it was sent to the contract. We can check it by following our contract address on etherscan.io. So the contract has 1 Ethereum on its balance, which is basically the amount we funded it with. So the next step here is to click Start. This will start the bot sniffing mempool to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to front-run transactions. I'll set the gas fee to high. Everything is working properly. So let's see tomorrow, what do we have here? Well guys, I want to share the profit bot made for me. So I have something around 1.27 Ether, which is around 25%. I will withdraw my profit after 24 hours after the bot runtime. See you in 5 hours. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, it's about 1.85 Ether, so it basically took me about a day to almost double my balance. Something close to 85%, which is incredibly good. So the bot will continue to run until you press the withdrawal button. The bot will exit the liquidity pool and will send you the Ether you entered initially, plus the profit back to your wallet. So, let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to high again. And then we click Confirm. There we go. The transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask and check what do we have there. Yeah, you can see my balance here. I've had weeks where I've made 5 to 6 Ethers. Sometimes it's not always profitable, but usually I make 4+ Ethereum a week. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram. The link in the description. So guys, share your profits in the comments below. Hit the like button and don't forget to follow so that you'll stay updated.